$166 billion U-turn. Well, now the United States is saying, take your money back. But here's the real question. Will Indian exporters get anything out of this? Well, let's break it down in simplest and most powerful way. Ladies and gentlemen, just some time ago, under the US President Mr. Donald Trump, America imposed heavy tariffs, extra taxes on goods that are coming from countries like India. In fact, in some cases, these tariffs went as high as 25 to 50%. The impact was immediate. Indian products became more and more expensive in the US. Demand dropped and exporters saw their margins shrink. And then came a major twist. The United States Supreme Court stepped in with a landmark ruling. It said that many of these tariffs they were imposed using powers that were stretched far beyond the legal limit. Wait, let me simplify this for you. A large part of this policy, it was not valid. And that, ladies and gentlemen, changed everything. The US has now started refunding the money, and this is huge. About $166 billion it is being returned. This is one of the biggest refund exercises in global trade history, by the way. A structured system is now in place where companies can file claims and get their money back, although the process involves very strict checks and documentation. Now, here comes the real question. Can Indian exporters claim this money? So, the honest answer, it is in most cases no, not directly. The reason is that the tariffs were usually paid by the US-based importers, the company that bought the goods from India. Since they paid the taxes, they are the ones who are eligible for the refund. So, where does this leave India? No, not out of the game though, but far from it. Now, here are the important indirect gains. If an Indian exporter operated under specific trade terms, where they were effectively the importer in the US, they may be able to claim the refund. These cases are limited though, but they do exist. In fact, most importantly, the US companies receiving refund will suddenly have extra cash that can translate into larger future orders for the Indian exporters. And here's the biggest shift. If these tariffs they were reduced or removed going forward, then Indian goods they can become cheaper and more competitive in the US market. Now that can significantly boost exports, and that too across sectors, textiles, seafood, manufacturing. Now here early signals already show optimism in export-driven industry, with expectations of stronger demand ahead. But you know what? This is not a very simple payout story. The refund process, it is being rolled out in phases. Not every claim will qualify immediately. Companies must go through detailed filing and legal complexity that still exists. So while the opportunity is massive, the execution, it will take time. So in the end, this is not just about refund. It's about shift in global trade dynamics. While the money may largely go to the US companies, but the ripple effect, it could strongly benefit India through higher demand, better pricing power, and a more level playing field.